Hey everyone, Vince with Anson PDR coming at you with the new Glexo Diablo installation guide. In case you haven't seen it, this is really good cold glue, and I'm going to show you how to get it on your metal tabs. You could use any metal tab as long as it's the right size. So within this box, you are going to get three different sizes, or three different trays with three different sizes, total of 18 tabs altogether, and an instruction guide in case you want to go and read that. I strongly suggest that you read this before installing your tabs in that glue because it's a one-time shot. Once it's in there, you're good to go. But here's three trays with three different lodgements. You got 10, 15, and 20. And what you want to do, first and foremost, read the directions, but also I'm going to show you live what's going to happen. You're going to take your tab, you're going to take some 70%, 91% alcohol, you're going to clean your tab off first, okay? Clean all that off. Make sure you have any excess residue of alcohol off of that before you go to the next step, because the next step you're going to use a live flame. And live flame, you don't want to light the thing on fire or your fingers or anything like that. I still have alcohol in my hands. So we're good to go. Next step, stop at any convenience store, cigar shop, and pick yourself up one of these. You're going to need this later on anyways when you're heating up panels. Very good, quick, easy way of heating up the panel or heating up the tab. If you're using the stainless steel tabs, what I like to do is remove the backside. And you'll see why in a minute. So you remove that backside, you're going to hold from here, heat up your tab. Directions say 180 degrees to 200. Do not overheat. It's very difficult to get a digital thermometer on this. So what I do is once I start feeling the heat in my fingertips, that's when I know I'm at temperature. So we're going to come in here, we're going to heat this up, get all that humidity off of it, and basically what you're doing is melting this and fusing it to the glue. It will not come off the tab very easy. When you do go to change a lodgement, it's going to take a little bit of effort to get that glue off. So I'm starting to feel it in my fingertips. So I'm going to go ahead and go right into the lodgement here, the corresponding lodgement, 20 millimeter into 20 millimeter. And we're going to zoom in and you're going to see what's going to happen. It's going to melt right into the glue. And it's getting warm on my fingers here. I'm applying even pressure and letting that get fully submerged around the tab. All right, so at that point, we're just going to leave that and let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the temperature outside. Check at it and look at it and make sure it's always standing directional, 90 degrees. It's not tipping over. So we're going to put that to the side, and like a cooking show, we're going to pull out one that's done. So this guy's done and ready to be pulled out. This is the next step. Once you get it over here, you're going to gently pull it out. And there's your lodgement welded onto the tab, okay? Now, you cannot go and start pulling right away because there's actually a clear film on this right here. So how do you remove that clear film? Well, you take your torch again and you blast it. And see how it shrinks up? It makes it very easy to peel that off. Okay, discard that. And then you're going to take your torch again and you're going to release all the pressure that might be in on that glue right now. And just if it starts to smoke, stop. And you could also form it along the tab at that point. At this point, you're ready to go. Put that on your slide hammer, your favorite slide hammer, and start ripping.